We are pleased to show you the 2010 DTS. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Elegant and responsive, the distinctive and well-appointed DTS continues the Cadillac tradition of luxury. With enough storage space to compete with an SUV, a gentle floating ride, and a powerful V8 engine, the DTS lets you have it all. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.